Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to repair a nail without taking it off. Sometimes I could get a little lazy and I don't be wanting to take off all my nails. The first thing I do, I am going to clip off like the ends of the nail. Do that now. Let's clip it down just a little bit. And then my next step, I'm going to remove the shine, the top coat from the nail. You want to do this because you want your nail, we're going to glue a nail on top of here. And if you try to glue a nail with this gel top coat on, it's not going to stick. So I'm just going to make sure I'm in the camera. I'm going to shave off that top coat. Now I'm just going to file this part, the tip, or we can say the edge of the nail, rather. We're going to file it down because this is where I'm going to place the nail tip. Alright, and the glue that I'm using is the KDS glue. And I'm going to dust off this nail first. We're going to put a little bit of nail glue on here. I'm surprised I didn't put too much glue. I always overdo it with the nail glue. Sometimes I put so much glue, my fingers be sticking together. While the nail is drying a little bit, I'm going to tell you guys about a giveaway that I'm going to be getting ready to do. I don't have that many subscribers, but I'm getting there. I'm starting to get more new subscribers, so I feel like I'm at a point now that I'm ready to do a giveaway. So I'm going to be doing that really soon. I'm going to have a separate video of more information of that. Now, I'm not going to cut this nail down, so we're just going to cut the sides. So the acrylic powder that I'm going to be using is Nail Nails Caramel Dream. And that's what it looks like. You could kind of see it a little bit on camera. So I'm just going to start off right here. So like I build up by the apex and then I bring it down to give it some thickness for the tip of the nail before I even touch down here. So I'm going to go in with a little bit more acrylic. Bring it down. I'm going to encapsulate this nail so it don't have to be so thick. You get what I'm saying? I just want enough just to give it the color that I want, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to encapsulate it. So this is going to give me my thickness, because I don't like my nails to be thin, especially when they got length on them, because they're going to crack easily. So now I'm going to go down here and just put a little bit of the Caramel Dream by the cuticle. All right, so I'm going to encapsulate this now. I always start off little because I'm not that good at the 1 bead method. So this is how I do mine. It works for me. I'm my own nail tech. I work at my own pace, and I don't be in a hurry. So all right, so now that the nail has been encapsulated, let's go ahead and file the nail. All right, so I filed the nail. Well, I shaped the nail egg, so I'm about to file it now. I'm gonna actually give you guys a side view of the nail so you can see what it looks like by me doing it this method. Okay, you guys, so I already shaped and filed the nail and buffed the nail, and that's what it looks like. Now, of course, it's gonna be more sharp because these been on for over like a week now. So these are like more dulled out. So I'm gonna get you guys to look at the apex. There you go. So you have a nice apex as well, and it don't even look like it. This is the back of the nail. See that? That's it. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and catch me in my next.